welcome to the word of Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. Someone has very appropriately said, you educate a man, you educate a man. You educate a woman, you educate a generation. Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women was established in the year 2013 with a mandate to promote women education, women enlightenment, and women empowerment. In fact, it is a matter of stupendous pride for each one of us to be a part of this illustrious edifice of teaching, learning, and innovation. Similarly, another startup, STEM Edu, which is religiously and relentlessly working hard and providing training and mentorship to the underprivileged students of schools at far-flung places like Leh and Ladakh. And they have been catching the attention of the media and the national channels in India. And there are many other incubators who are working and brought awards and accolades in various hackathons at national and international levels. Anveshan Foundation has recently signed an MOU with GIZ Germany, primarily to promote innovation and entrepreneurship culture among women candidates. Anveshan Foundation has also signed MOU with Cisco and NASCOM Foundation and built up state-of-the-art latest Internet of Things lab. And the main role of this lab is to promote state-of-the-art training among the various incubators and the pre-incubators and bring them to the exciting world of Internet of Things, help them in product development and in patenting, etc. Let me just compliment the tireless and hard work done by various directors of Anveshan Foundation, and I also compliment the exemplary work being done by the CEO of Anveshan Foundation. Let me just also mention that entrepreneurship has been infused and has been made an integral part of the curriculum right at an undergraduate level, wherein a student can choose the entrepreneurship track along with the research track and a project track even at an undergraduate level. And Anveshan Foundation incentivize the girl students who take up the entrepreneurship track. I must compliment the effort of each and everyone who is contributing directly or indirectly to promote entrepreneurship culture in Anveshan Foundation. I wish Anveshan Foundation all the very best. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Sharma, Managing Director of IGD2W Anveshan Foundation, which is an incubation center established by Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women, Kashmiri Gate, Delhi, with the support of Government of NCT of Delhi and is recognized by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India as TBI. I am really excited to brief you about the transitioning of traditional job-seeking culture gradually now changing to job-providing culture among our young girl student of the university. Since last approximately 2 years, Anveshan Foundation has become a most preferred destination of the students where they can think differently, they can experiment new ideas, and can plan for opting of the exciting career of becoming a successful entrepreneur. Because of the excellent placement record of the university, initially, students did not take it very seriously. But under the guidance and mentorship of our Honorable Vice Chancellor and with sincere efforts of all, now paradigm has totally shifted. I am happy to share with you all that currently more than 100 students are working for their ideas under pre-incubation phase, and 9 startup companies led by young women entrepreneurs are doing excellent work in their domain. These students have presented their ideas, their startups, Anveshan Foundation and university at several national and international fronts and brought laurels for all. The mentorship and motivation from leading multinationals like Cisco, IBM, Nashcom Foundation, GIZ Germany and others has provided the excellent opportunities to these young minds to think in a different way so that they can opt this challenging but rewarding career of entrepreneurship. I wish all the very best to all the stakeholders who are involved in Anveshan Foundation directly or indirectly for putting their sincere efforts to make this Anveshan Foundation a temple of innovation. Thanks to all.
Should be with fun and learning. So education should be fun and learning. So I found out to make a solution like I went for a startup. My startup, Steam Edu, where we with our team will be learning all the technologies and teaching all the technologies in a fun and learning methods like easy and comprehensive way. Have you been heard the word gamification in education? Anybody? Have you heard? Have you people played the video games? You find it amazing. Good. Now you feel good. And if education can be transmitted through games, by making games, why not? It's good. So it will be fun and learning. So we are here with that VR bootcamp and we'll go into an amazing magic world and through fun and learning. And we have
Are you all my personal dreams?
Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University is the only women technical university in India. We are providing engineering courses in computer science, information technology, mechanical and automation, and electronics and communication. Along with that, we are also having programs like BBA, MCA, and programs at different level in architect. We are having an incubation center. The name of the incubation center is Anveshan Foundation. This incubation center is supported initially by the Delhi government, and we have also got the status of technical business incubator now by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. We are having total 12 incubatees. All of them are women entrepreneurs, and apart from that, we have also facilitated 500 girls students from our university in pre-incubation phase, where they have made different types of prototypes. So the incubatees which we are having, we are providing all kinds of facilities, including office space, ICT, all kinds of consultancies, and the provision of seed fund, where we are funding our incubatees against equity in their startup companies. So this is the model of our incubation center, but the prime objective of this incubation center is to give facilities to those women candidates who want to start their own startup and want to start their own entrepreneurial journey.
My name is Riya Bhatia and I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. I am a pre-incubatee at Anveshan Foundation IGDTUW for my business venture UASIT. UASIT is an e-learning platform which was started with a vision to provide enriching, detailed and most importantly economical learning to students. Students from all over the globe are burdened by heavy tuition fees and expenses. UASIT gives an opportunity to anyone who wants to learn a new skill or polish their concepts. Crucial factor that motivated us to start UASIT was to create a more inclusive learning environment for women by bringing them to the forefront.
Myself, Dr. Jasdeep Kaur Dhanova. I'm one of the directors of Anveshan Foundation. I'm an academician and researcher in the Department of Electronics and Communication and also looking after the Office of Training and Placement Department. The Department of Electronics and Communication has a very prestigious project which is called Special Manpower Development Program, Chip to System Design. This is from the Government of India, Ministry of Communication, Information and Technology. It is about giving opportunities to the girls to work in the area of VLSI design with EDA tools like the Synopsys, Cadence, Metagraphics, Xilinx, FPGA boards. The girls have opportunities to work on prototypes and further then look forward to entrepreneurship opportunities in the Anveshan Foundation. Very recently, we have also been a knowledge partner in the Department of Science and Technology project, which is called Vigyan Jyoti project. It is all about sensitizing young girls of grade 9 and 10 to take up STEM education at early stages. Regarding the placement activities of the university, for the batch that is graduating in July 2020, about 79% of the girls have got prestigious full-time offers, 6% of the girls are going ahead with higher studies, and about 15% of the girls are going ahead with the entrepreneurship opportunities and the government jobs.
We at Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women work with a mission to impart value-based quality education and promote high-quality scientific research in the frontier areas of engineering, sciences and technology. The aim of our university is not only to produce good women engineers who excel academically, but also help in widening the perspectives and awakening intellectual curiosity within them. The faculty members and students of IGDTUW have a passionate commitment to maintain high standards of excellence in research and academics. This is reflected by the large number of publications in international journals and conferences that we have. The faculty members have also actively pursued research in their respective fields of interest by undertaking various R&D projects funded by different funding agencies like Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, MIT, Nokia, Intel, Microsoft, etc. IGDTUW believes in and provides an excellent environment for research and innovation.